How to create or set up Life360 account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed Life360 application onto your device. If not, head over to your Play Store and search for Life360 and search for Life360. Now this is the application that you should have onto your device. Once you have installed it, tap open it. And here tap on to get started. Enter your phone number. Make sure that your country code is correct, then tap on continue. Now here type in your first name and your last name. Tap on continue. Also make sure to add your email address, then tap on continue. And create yourself a strong password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters and contains letter, words, and numbers. Once done, tap on continue. Then at the next page, select your birth date. Once done, tap on continue. And if you would like to create a new circle, or in case you have a code in order to join a new circle, you can paste the code here and tap on submit. If you don't have a code, then tap on create a new circle and tap on continue. Now this will be your new code, and if you would like to share this with your friends or family, you can do so by tapping on the share code option. Here describe your role in that circle. You can also tap on other. If you would like to add a photo, tap on add your photo. If not, tap on skip. Now here you have to give permission for your location, physical activity, notification, and Bluetooth. And once you give permissions to all that, this will be your homepage, and that is how you can set up your Life360 account. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.